Welcome to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today, Chad and I are going to be doing a walk around and test drive on this 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. It's a beautiful dark blue color, equipped with its numbers matching 4-speed manual transmission. 383 V8 in front of that 4-speed.
Great looking engine compartment.
Yes, it is. Correct Roadrunner air breather.
Got its factory Fender Tag, which so many of these, you know, driver quality restoration cars, for some reason, are always missing their factory Fender Tag. It's just nice to have. But just a good looking car, not a trailer queen, not an absolute show car, but a beautiful driver.
Yep.
You know, if you're looking for a nice 68, factory 4-speed car, bucket seat car as well.
Upgraded with an aluminum radiator.
As we go around this one, it's got a brand new front bumper. The previous owner had put one of those on. Previous owner owned this Roadrunner for a few years, drove it, enjoyed it as part of his collection. Back of the hood lines up great. Good even gap from front to back. And the 68s, and you're going to notice the 68 on the Roadrunners just did that stripe pattern on the hood. In 69, they had the dual stripes. So it's just, you can really tell the difference between a 68 and 69, just how that stripe package is laid out on that hood.
It's unique, I like that.
I love the stance as well. Nice BFGs, really nice wide tires on the back. Just a fantastic stance on it with those torque thrusts.
Yeah, great color too. I love a blue car. Disc brakes up front, not power, but it is nice that it has the disc.
We did a lot of work on this one as well, just like we do on all of them. We got that front end aligned after we put all new ball joints and stuff, and it just really made it drive better. Went through all the brakes, did all the things we normally do here at Coyote Classics. Back of the door lines up really nicely. And again, the rocker panel, lower fender, all that stuff looks really solid. It does have some fill in it, guys. Like I said, not perfect, but a great looking straight car. Look up and down the sides on this passenger side. Down here in this lower quarter, nice and straight, great looking, but it does have some fill on that inner quarter from the back side. From the front side, looks absolutely beautiful. As of everything at Coyote Classics, we disclose everything we can see and let you be the decision on what you're looking for. Dual exhaust, sounds great, looks great. It's got nice tips on there. Inside the trunk is all painted decent as well. Not quite as good as obviously as the rest of the paint job, but it is all blue. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the 20 plus photos of the undercarriage. Back window chrome all looks good. Right in here, they left the body line there. No one filled that in. As long as we're here to the back, it looks like they replaced the back bumper as well. All the factory trim and original trim is very presentable, but it's starting to show its age. Again, it's nice and straight, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It's a really sharp looking car.
As we come in here, corner of the door over here on the passenger side's in great shape. You don't have no body filler here in the corner here. Rubbers are decent. Door panels and seats, carpet are all in good shape. Dome light works, headliner's in good shape as well. Back seat, door panels, all nice. It does have some aftermarket gauges that previous owner had put in there. They do work. AM radio. And again, factory 4-speed. No one's butchered that floor pan right there. And you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's nice.
It's just done right. I like that they went and spent the money on the new bumpers, nice paint, and the great looking dual exhaust tips.
Absolutely. Like you said, when you look up and down the side, even this driver's side as well, the door, fender, nice and straight. It's got a nice shine to it.
It's very straight. And I said the bottom lower quarters have body fill in them, guys, like I said, from the back side. And this does have a crack here.
But I think it's mainly this driver's side one. The passenger side one, I don't think was as bad.
You're right. Yep. But over the years, everything's been fixed. You know what I mean on these cars?
So
At one point or another. And nothing is perfect, but back of the hood lines up awesome. Top of the hood lines up good. You can see couple tiny little cracks right down here. This is another area on Mopars that always seem to have a little issues. Open up the door. Passenger side one was nice, never really had anything done to it. Driver's side one has had some fill in it. Again, making this a great driver, right? As we look at the inside, the seats are in good shape. We got just a little bit of a issue right here where a stitch or two has come loose. It's got 98,152 miles on the odometer. Window rolls up and down good. I didn't notice it from this angle, but right here, right behind here, deep in the paint, and the rest of the paint really looks good, but it's got just a little something right here in the paint and just a little bit behind, right in this lead line right here. You can just see something just coming through a little.
You have a very small little chip right there, but other than that, all the glass looked good.
Like I said, we did a lot of the mechanic stuff already. Oil pressure gauge works, amp gauge works.
This is a real deal Roadrunner too. You see a lot of clones out there, but this is a real deal.
Wipers work. Horn does not work. Dome light works. Gas gauge works. It reads over full. It's full right now. We went around the, we put two new sending units in it, bent it try to get it accurate. The new sending units these days are just difficult. You know, it's hard to get a real good one. Again, no power steering, but these cars, most of them didn't have it. With the, nice no power steering gearboxes and stuff, and a bigger wheel, they steer great.
Especially these like higher performance factory cars like the Roadrunner, the higher performance cars for the factory. A lot of times they didn't put the power steering on, but they wanted as much horsepower they could get.
Runs good,
yeah,
don't
it does. It's got good power.
Speedometer works good too. Just like all of them, we go through the brakes. Here's your brakes. You got a nice full pedal. Stops nice and straight. I really am happy with this 4-speed.
I know, it just adds to the fun, especially you got a muscle car. Especially Mopar did it right with their pistol grip shifters.
And just a tall shifter. I mean, so many of these cars just have this dinky little freaking shifter you got to bend over to. Really happy how this one turned out.
Great power from that 383, smoking the tires. It's another thing that's fun to do with a 4-speed. You can dump the clutch and just let it rip.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, it is.
Good thing I didn't let it rip too much.
Oh yeah, you got cop. Yep.
I seen that coming, so we'll get on it on the way back. I keep thinking it's a wide ratio, and they're not.
Going too wide with it?
Yeah. Stupid. Here's your brakes again. Brakes stop great. Well, we drive so many different cars. Buick, Chevys, Mustangs.
I always tell
Mopars.
people it always takes.
I mean,
and every one of them is a little bit different. I always tell people it definitely takes a few miles to get used to your car.
Even me, I drive a lot of them, but like you said, everyone's different. Everyone has a different pattern.
Yep, absolutely.
Look at that. I mean, it's not a big deal. It's just I was going too damn wide with it.
Yep.
Let's do our synchro, should we?
Yeah.
There's synchros in third.
Right down into third, goes into third. Right.
That's at 55 or 60. I'm really impressed. It turned out nice.
Yeah.
There's second. 40 down to 30. Really good synchros.
Yep.
Try first here. Now we're at 20. Going right into first.
That takes right off.
There we go.
There it is. Perfect.
Sorry about the first fail.
Yeah, that's all right. People get it. But great driving car. Check it out on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.